Do you want to see some dino painted with fun colors?
Oh no, this is bad. They fetch their kids. But don't worry, they are not going to hurt us. Hello, good morning everyone.
Let's go to prehistoric time, shall we? We will hear them roar and see them enjoying lunch together. And we are the ones who prepare their meals. But how about we start by giving them some color and making it fun? Now, let the adventure begin.
Let's put some color. Oops. Let's give more bright color. Red. Yeah, that's more like it.
Styracosaurus, a herbivore.
Let's pour some general color on him. Blue.
Plesiosaurus, a carnivore.
Oh no, no, no. Yellow. Orange. Nice color, isn't it?
Triceratops, a herbivore.
Green.
Pliosaurus, a carnivore.
Nice color, isn't it?
Stegosaurus, an omnivore. It's time we cook meals for them. I'm not sure what they like. Let's just try giving them our best food.
Food coming right now.
even. I already prepared this one for you.
It's what I'm waiting for, thank you.
Patrick! I hope I'm right about this spoon for you.
Oh no, sorry, but can't eat that.
Okay, maybe this one.
Looks delicious, thanks.
Trisha,
Here is today's special menu.
Looks delicious, and I appreciate that.
Patty! I hear you like vegetables and fruit.
Actually, I can't eat that. I need a meat menu.
Oh, sorry. Maybe this one.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
Sean! You can eat both meat and vegetables, right?
I can't wait to eat that.
That is all. Everyone, you ate your meals.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Choose one dino. Who is going to like this food?
Yay!
What did Patrick have for his meal? Pick one who can eat both meat and vegetables. Good job. Unfortunately, this is the end of the story. I hope you are happy and your day can be more enjoyable. You can watch other Dino videos and find more fun. See you again.